CD we are using it as reflecting plate. In CD, a CD has 5 lines per atom. So it creates a line for our rating and treating for later in the refraction order.
I like the photo then the CD and the screen, and then measure the distance of CD to screen. We get this 70 distance centimeter distance CD. Now we hold the laser light on this CD and the reflection angle show the screen. We measure the distance of angle laser grating and a screen in a straight line. Adjust the laser to light falls properly on the grating and switch on the laser and observe bright spot on the screen. Measure the distance between grating and screen is 70. Measure refraction pattern consisting of bright spot on the both sides of the central maxima. Measure the distance between the CD and the screen using a meter scale. Measure the distance of the first order, second order, third order and central maxima using meter scale.
The precautions that must be taken are:
do not look the laser.
3D must be clean and refrigerated.